Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for viewing once again. As you can hear, I have a noise in my rear tire on my Elantra. Now I'm gonna check and see what the noise is coming from. First I'm spinning it and I can feel a lot of resistance. It's not spinning freely. Then I'm gonna check the dust shield, and I notice it's starting to deteriorate at the bottom. So the more I push, I can feel crunchiness, and then it starts to just crumble down. So that was making the noise on the wheel. As you can see at the bottom, it's coming apart. I will have to replace this at a later time, but for now I'm just going to cut off the excess so it doesn't rub on the rotor. So guys, check if you have a sound coming from one of your wheels. It could be this. So that's an easy check.